is Maya, and I'm going to show you how to work this water gravity dispenser. So the first thing you need to do when you get it is take this sticker out. So you need to take this bit out and now slowly peel it like this. Make sure you do not fill it from here or else the water will flow out. So you need to read the lid and it says fill from bottom. So you turn it around and get your water from a jug or tap water like this. So now what you need to do is take the bottom piece and the smaller piece and put it on. So now instead of flipping it over fast, you can do it normal, like that. It's okay if some fills. So, as you can see, it stopped. That's because of gravity and because of the pressure. I don't know how it works, but it does. So now your pet can drink out of it. Ta-da!